By using just one bottle of catalytic converter cleaner, you can easily resolve the P0430 error code on your own. It means your catalyst system. Efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter. Malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring related to the oxygen sensors. Issues with the air-fuel mixture. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix this error code at home. Use a cleaner of your choice. Simply add the cleaner to your gas tank, ensuring you use the appropriate amount based on the specific cleaner you choose. The fluid mixes with the gasoline in the tank and works to break down the buildup in the catalytic converter, effectively cleaning it. Then you can drive your car for 150 miles or run the engine at about 200 RPMs for 30 minutes to run the cleaner through. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix P0430 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates.